If you're seeing a GOG redeem error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it by switching your redemption method. This is a simple troubleshooting step that can save you a lot of time, especially if the website or the client is giving you trouble. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing to understand is that the problem may not be your code, it may just be the method you're using to redeem it. So the best fix is to alternate between the browser and GOG Galaxy. If you're trying to redeem inside the client and it's not working, open your browser instead. Go to the official GOG redeem page and try entering your code there. Using the browser can sometimes bypass client-related errors and let the redemption go through normally. On the other hand, if you're getting errors on the website, try the GOG Galaxy desktop app. Open GOG Galaxy on your computer, then look for the cog icon, which is the settings menu. Click that, then go to Games and Friends, and inside that section choose Redeem GOG Code. This gives you another official way to redeem the same code, and it often fixes common redemption problems. So the main idea here is very simple. If one method fails, switch to the other one. Browser first if the app is giving you issues, or GOG Galaxy if the website is failing. In many cases, that's all you need to fix the redeem error and complete the activation successfully. If the code still doesn't work after trying both methods, double check that the code was typed correctly, that you're signed into the right GOG account, and that the code is valid for your region. But in most situations, alternating the redemption method is the fastest solution. If this tutorial helped you fix the GOG redeem error, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes, step-by-step guides, and tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.